Good morning, everyone. Um, Now we are with the part 2 of ICT and its impact, the first session of basic ICT skill. In the first one, we have introduced ourselves to the ICT and its impact, introduction to ICT, then the role and impact of ICT were covered, ICT impact on our personal life covered, ICT impact on our work life is was taught in the last one. Today we will start with the ICT in our daily life. Let's start with ICT in our daily life. Here is quite a few pictures. In fact, 6 different conversations which are printed here. A random day which has been written here. These 6 conversation has a meaning because they all the conversations are related to ICT, means all of them are related to ICT, information communication technology. The first one is using online multiplayer gaming, means the Aryan and the sister in his sister actually doing the online gaming and they're conversing regarding that. So online gaming is because of the implementation of ICT, these things are now possible. One can game using internet. Now the second one is about the online payment, and it's between Jivan and his father. It's regarding the payment of fees of Jivan, and they are conversing regarding that. The third one is related to online shopping. It's actually the Nita who want to purchase uh, kind of a jewelry, and her husband unable to turn up for that. So Nita decided that he will purchase the jewelry online. So this third one shows the online shopping. The fourth one is about the video conferencing. The silly Sylvia actually won a trophy in her school. So she actually dialed up a video conferencing with her grandma, and they are conversing through the video conferencing and showing her trophy to the grandma, and grandma is actually congratulating her for her achievement. And the fifth one is the in between Ronak and his dad. It's regarding the grandpapa's uh, grandpapa's report. Is actually to show to a different doctor. They want to take a different opinion regarding the report, the health situation of the grandpa. They want to take a second opinion through ICT, or you can rather say they want to send that report to another doctor to get the second opinion. Now, the sixth one is actually regarding the simultaneous use of different technologies like broadcasting and webcasting. It's regarding a kind of a talk through the web. It's in between Mr. Venkat and his boss. His boss is asking him whether he is ready for the talk which he going to perform online through webcast and broadcast, and he will get the he will need to get connected to the people through the Google Hangout too and the Twitter. So it's kind of a simultaneous broadcast and webcast usage of another users of ICT. Let's see what's next in your book. It's the ICT tools that it's discussing about. Let's move to the next page. Now we will see the ICT tools. ICT tools are the devices or the objects used in information and communication technology. That we all know that we are having different kind of tools by which we use the information and communication technology, like the computer, cell phones, internet, email, video conferencing, software, radio, television, laptop, tablet, and so many. Some commonly used ICT tools are computers and laptop. Basically, these two are the personal computers which we use commonly as ICT tools, for maybe for studies, maybe for office works, or any other random uses for of ICT. Computers and laptop. These are the electronic devices that have specific processor and that work as per program and software loaded on them. This all we know, that the computers are the electronic devices which use it to have a specific processor, means it used to consist of CPU processors, which includes ROM, RAM, a motherboard, a processor, everything which is as hardware, and it works with the help of softwares like the system softwares or application softwares which we use in our day-to-day life. While the term computer refers to desktop computer, laptop refers to lighter version of computer that can fit on your lap, hence the name is laptop. Laptop can easily be carried to other places as well. Here the differentiation in between the computer and the laptop. The computers are genuinely the desktops which we station somewhere and use them. It typically used for office uses or maybe personal uses inside the home. But the laptops are bit portable device which is easy to carry anywhere. It's lighter, that we can put it upon our lap and use them. And it used to have battery backups too, inbuilt battery backup, by which the portability get enhanced, so we can carry it anywhere to work. Next is smartphones and tablets. The smartphone is handheld devices that has combined the cellular telephony with an integrated computer like tiny processor, an operating system, and ability to access internet and run software applications, which we call also the mobile apps, like the apps of the school or any other apps which we use frequently. A tablet is a cousin of smartphone, means it's a big brother of smartphone. It's a bigger size one which used to have a more display size, which is capable of doing nearly all that the smartphone can do, with small differences like the tablet are larger in size, which I said now only, than the mobile phones. Some tablets do not provide cellular telephony, means few of the tablets comes as Wi-Fi only, means where we can browse through the net, where we can work the basic work instead of calling anyone. Tablet used to be a bit bulkier than the telephones or mobile phones, so it's better to not to use them for calling. Few of them are not having only. So the next one is the radio and the TV. I hope you have understood the smartphone and the tablets, because nowadays we are relying upon the tablets and the smartphone to do the studies even. The radio and the TV. Next, radio is the oldest tool and provides entertainment via audio only to the masses. These days, even online radios are available. The television or TV is the audiovisual medium that can play audio as well as video. There are multiple TV channels available these days catering to diverse interests of the people. Radio and the TV, both of them works through different stations or channels. The radio only uses to give us the sound. Via that we listen to different programs, news and views, other things. The television is more of audio visuals. It not only give us audio, it plays the visuals upon the screen as well. So televisions also use it to have multiple channels to cater different kind of a people. The channels used to be in different languages. Channel used to have different types of content inside them. So it caters masses. Internet and email. The internet refers to the worldwide network of interconnected servers that are connected to many networks. What is internet? It's kind of a worldwide network, or you can rather say network of networks. Quite a few smaller networks create a bigger networks, and these all networks are connected through multiple servers from where we fetch the data or the information. Using internet, one gets connected to the worldwide network of computers and can access information from any part of the world. Internet actually provides us kind of a portability that we can go anywhere and can, if we can access internet, we can get connected to the entire world. It actually provides so much of independency while working, maybe studying too, that you can sit at the lap of the nature and can do the studies anywhere in the world. The email is a facility of internet which allow one to send mails electrically in a flash of a second. The full form of emails is electronic mail. Email basically क्यों बनाया गया है? That we can send and receive mails, the piece of information from different part of the world. For that, we need to have an account, and through that account, we can mail another account and can receive the mails from those accounts. So, in the email, there are two parties, sender and receiver. Sender who sends, called sender, and the receiver is who receives the mail. One information box is also shared with the book, the mobile apps and the mobile software. What is a mobile software? These are basically the application softwares which are created keeping in mind the resources of the mobile phones, such as mobile phone used to have a limited battery size, limited memory, small screen size, like that. All the functions that you do, that happens is because of the mobile apps. The mobile apps are various types. Common categories of the mobile apps are being given below. Mobile apps are basically used for doing anything in the mobile, isn't it? That means for dialing, you are having a dialing application or dialing app. For communication, like internet, we used to have browser apps. There are so many different browser apps which are available in the Play stores or the mobile app stores, from where we download them to browse through the different websites. There are quite a few categories which are given below, which we use inside the mobile or which we use as mobile apps. The first category here is the lifestyle mobile app. A lifestyle app is one that accelerates or supports the individual facts that define your lifestyle, such as fitness, food, music, travel. We often use our mobile phones to listen to the music, to search for the foods, or order the foods, order different type of items through the different shopping sites. So these all comes under the lifestyle apps. The second one, social media mobile apps. We all use social media platforms in our mobile devices. The social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, these all belongs to one app category which we called as social media mobile apps. Third, utility mobile apps. Utilities are the type of mobile apps that provide utility functions such as reminders, weather informations, or it help us to calculate something on the mobile. It actually enhances the functionality of the mobile. Anyway, it creates a kind of a functionality inside of it. All the mobile apps create functionality, but it enhances, this utility softwares enhances the features of the mobile apps. Games and entertainment mobile apps. There are quite a few gaming apps, starting from Angry Birds to new lifestyle kind of gaming apps, or very precise kind of gaming apps like Asphalt 8, like quite a few shooting gaming apps are also available. There are certain entertainment mobile apps which provide us rich contents by which we can get entertained ourselves. These comes under the games and the mobile entertainment apps. Now the fifth one, productivity mobile apps. Productivity means which enhances the productivity of the mobile phone, means by which we can use the mobile phone as a productive computing machine, like using of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, the Evernote for note taking, or making online payments through Bheem apps. So these enhances the capability and the productivity of mobile phone apps. Sixth one, news and information mobile apps. These apps provides us different news from different part of the nation or different part of the world, and which provides, and few of them provides informations like the Reddit and the Flipboard. Flipboard is kind of a app where you can use the data of multiple apps and keep it in one place, that you can simply open the Flipboard and can get the information about those apps. So these all are news and information apps which used to be present in our mobile phones. At the end, the chapter provides us the comparison of three different ICT tools: smartphone, tablet, and the laptop. Three most popular ICT tools are smartphones, tablet, and the laptop. Let's compare these three in terms of various parameters. The parameters are: first, portability. The smartphones are very light, very easy to carry. It's the most portable among these three. Tablets are thin and light but heavier than the smartphone, but still easy to carry. Tablets are bigger than the smartphone, but it's not as big as the laptops. All three are portable. All three can be carried outside to work, because all of them are having power backup. But still, in terms of the weight and the portability, these three are different. Smartphones are the lightest, then the tablets, and then the laptops. Now the second one, functionality. Smartphones have small screen size. The tablets have larger display than the smartphones. Laptops have bigger display than the tablets. Nowadays tablet even used to come sized like as good as laptops, but still they use it to be smaller than the laptops. Laptop can be bigger than the tablets. Now, what it enhances in functionality? Obviously, if the bigger screen is there in the smartphone and the tablet, the usability enhances. You can use multiple apps which can enhance the functionality of them, like the Word, Excel, PowerPoint. These kind of productivity mobile apps can be used with an ease. Means larger screen, you are having more area to play with. In the laptops, we use it to have not only the screens, the support of keyboards too. So it enhances the workability inside of it. It enhances the functionality there. Now the third one is difficulty in working. The smartphone is small computer in hands with the cellular telephony, very easy to work with a stable mobile environment. Second one, a tablet offers better display with smartphone's productivity, means temporary at times. A tablet is easy to just turn on and use any environment. A tablet and the smartphones are very nearby machines. These only difference in between them used to be the size. Almost all the apps of the smartphone runs inside the tab too. So these are cousin brothers, but still the tablet used to have upper hands in terms of the size or the display area, or you can rather say work area, functional area, and the smartphone used to have a better portability to carry it. Now the third one is laptop. Laptop requires specific place to work. It is comparatively difficult to work with laptop having mouse in fast moving car. Means you can rather say the in terms of portability or in terms of ease or difficulty, the laptop is the heaviest one. Laptop used to be a bit bigger than these two, and because you need so many things, like not all the laptops use to have a touch screen feature, so you need to use the keyboards as well as the trackpad of the laptop, or you might need to use an external mouse. For that reason, it's not that easy to work in every kind of a environment. In terms of battery life, the smartphones have small battery life, rely only on mobile batteries, means it used to have a smaller space to accommodate the batteries, so smaller batteries. Most tablets have battery life that is far better than laptop, but work with only mobile batteries. Means the laptop, if we compare it with the laptop, the tablets used to have a better battery life because it used to have a smaller processor inside of it. So no issues, it accommodates the display and the processors in tandem and give or enhances the battery life. So the tablet used to have a better battery life than the laptop. But in laptop, we use it to not use it to have only the battery, we use it to have a power source connector too. In mobile and the tablets also, we are having the plugins by which the charger by which we can charge it. But still, if you are stationed anywhere, we can simply plug in the laptop and work on it. But working with the charger on in smartphones and the tablets are not good. We should not charge them and work together. But in laptop, we can do so because it used to have softwares and the hardware to protect it. Now, the fifth one, flexibility. A smartphone is maximum flexible. We can keep it anywhere, we can go with it anywhere, we can put it inside our pocket or might carry it anywhere. We can sit anywhere and can use the cellular technology or cellular connectivity to work upon it. The tablet sits somewhere between the smartphones and the laptop in the most areas in terms of flexibility is no exception from the mobile phones. Only the carrying of it, it's bit bigger than the mobile phones, so we might not able to carry it inside our pocket. So the laptop offers less flexibility as compared to the smartphones and the tablet because it's bigger, bulkier. So it's not easy to carry out like the tablets and the mobile phones. Productivity. Smartphone productivity is limited because of many issues like the limited battery power, smaller screen size, less resources inside of it. This resources here means the availability of the apps and everything. The resources not only limited to the apps, the processing power of the smartphones. Although the processing power of smartphones are also very much of capable nowadays, it used to have a faster, bigger, and the RAMs to the storage, everything is almost equivalent to the laptops now. So we cannot say the in terms of resources it's very small than the laptops, but still it's smaller than than the laptop. The tablets offers better productivity than the smartphone because of large display but have limited battery life, and software support is also less compared to the laptops. That's very true because the laptop software is used to have enhanced features inside of it, and we can use the similar softwares in tablets as well as the mobile phones, but those apps used to be a stripped down version of the actual apps which we use in the laptop. The laptop offers best productivity among these as they have better power options, larger screen size, and all types of software available with it, whether those softwares are the programming or any other utility softwares. Now we are concluding with the first chapter of ICT. In the next chapter, we will learn about the basic of a computer system and mobile devices. Till then, bye bye. Take care.